I'm sitting here in this motel room, waiting for her knock on my door. I told myself time after time I would not do this anymore. But at home and things that don't go right, find myself so uptight. I get this bottle in my hand, and when I start this whiskey drinking, I start this cheating thinking, oh Lord, here I am again. If whiskey drinking, cheating thinking brings out the man I really am, I know it's just a stepping stone to losing everything I own. But right now I don't give a do-da, do-da, do-da dang. Whiskey drinking, cheating thinking, whiskey drinking, cheating thinking. She done left to close that door. I lie here feeling guilty as hell. I get up, turn on that TV set, have myself another cigarette. Another drink of whiskey always helps. And while I'm putting my clothes on, think about my woman at home. She gonna wonder where I've been. But when she kisses this whiskey breath, be just like the kiss of death. She'll know what I've been doing again. Oh Lord. If whiskey drinking, cheating thinking brings out the man I really am, I know it's just a stepping stone to losing everything I own. But right now I don't give a do-da, 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 do-da. I'm sitting there in this motel room, waiting for her knock on my door. If whiskey drinking, cheating thinking brings out the man I really am, I know it's just a stepping stone to losing everything I own. Whiskey drinking, cheating thinking, whiskey drinking, cheating thinking, whiskey drinking, cheating thinking, whiskey drinking, cheating thinking.